Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to Royal Kitchen, where every dish is made with love, flavour, and a sprinkle of royalty. Today, we're making something that's not just tasty, but totally irresistible. Baked potatoes with cheese and creamy goodness. Get ready, because what you're about to see will make your mouth water. First things first, take your fresh potatoes and cut them into smaller bite-sized pieces. Make sure they're just the right size to soak up all the flavours. Wow! Just look at how fresh and beautiful they look already. Now, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 5 millilitres of vegetable oil. Oh yes, the shine on those potatoes is something else. Give it a good mix. Make sure every single piece gets coated in that salty, oily goodness. Next, the magic begins. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Can you smell that already? Then sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of paprika or sweet pepper. That colour, so rich, so vibrant, absolutely stunning. Mix it all up again until it looks like a bowl of golden treasure, mixing the egg and milk mixture. Now let's create our creamy layer of deliciousness. In a separate bowl, pour in 450 millilitres of milk, crack in 4 eggs and give it a nice smooth mix. This mixture is going to turn our baked potatoes into a dreamy melt-in-your-mouth masterpiece. Wow, just look at how creamy and silky that is. Preparing the baking pan. Grease your baking pan with a little oil, just enough to keep things nice and smooth. Now gently lay your seasoned potatoes into the pan. Take your time and arrange them to cover the whole base. It already looks like a work of art. Next, pour in some of that creamy egg and milk mixture. Then sprinkle a generous layer of mozzarella cheese. Oh my goodness, this is the part where dreams come true. Lay another layer of potatoes on top. Repeat the whole process, the creamy mix, the cheese, layer by layer. It's becoming a heavenly stack of flavour. Keep going until your pan is full or until all the potatoes are gone. Covering with foil and placing in oven. Now cover it well with foil to seal in all the goodness. Place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 30 to 45 minutes. Fades out and back in with baked potatoes coming out of the oven. Ding! Time's up! Wow! Just look at that. Golden, creamy, cheesy, perfect. The aroma is unbelievable. So beautiful, so mouth-watering. I wish you could smell this through the screen. Serve this hot and bubbly dish with your favorite meat, chicken, or veggies. Trust me, everyone in your home will call you the cooking hero of the house. Go ahead, try this recipe and let your taste buds thank you. And when you do, please come back and tell us in the comments, how many wows did you say while watching this? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious videos from Royal Kitchen. And as always, thank you so much for your time. God bless you richly. See you in the next one.